So we are up ridiculously early today on this very cold morning. There is snow on the hilltops. We've got a couple of hours journey and we are going to Pontefract to the DIY kitchen showroom. And I can't wait, so why don't you come with me? So 3¼ hours later, multiple delays later, 4 trains later, I find myself arriving at Moorthorpe. I think I've got a 20-minute walk and then I'm there. DIY kitchens, you better be worth it.
Drop that. For me, what, work it. Drop that.
So just finished at DIY Kitchens. What a knowledgeable and massive place that is. So I'm going to go home now, do some of the designs myself, which is something that you've got to do. It's how they give you the lowest prices. Hopefully it'll look good and I can have a better understanding of whether it is as competitive or as excellent as everyone's saying. The build quality is really good, so let's get designing. So what I really like about this software is it does give you a lot of opportunity to tweak, change around and have it as you want. So if I go into the plan button at the top here where you have a variety of icons, you can then go down the left hand side, choose things like drawers, radiators, internal walls, and go onto another screen here. You can have a choice of all your wall units, your drawers again, different styles of drawers. You can see exactly what sizes, and then you can implement them into the diagram as I've done here. Now, if you click the 3D view button, you can actually see a realistic view of what your kitchen or your area is going to look like. So here, all the items that I've put in are included within the kitchen, and it gives you added extras such as the table and chairs, the sofa, the TV. Imposter syndrome well and truly kicked in. I'm going through the floor plans and ideas of things that I want to do and they're just endless. And now I've got imposter syndrome thinking, have I taken on too much? Am I going to be able to do it? Can I afford it? Should I be even doing it? The work that needs to be done, the people who need to do it, for example, architects, surveyors, structural engineers, building control, the list just seems to be endless. And I don't know where to start, and it's overwhelming as hell. I wish I just had more experience, but everyone's got to start somewhere, so.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna stay positive. But we did have some great news this week. I was able to gain access into the garage, which presently was unobtainable. So after getting the locks changed, I had a little nosy in there, and to my surprise, it was a nice, clean, blank canvas. Although there was no Ferrari stored in there, it did allow me to gain access to see my meters for the gas, the electric, the solar panels. It also, from there, allowed me to do every single room with floor plans. So I was able to get the accurate measurements of each room, try and design it how I wanted to give me a better indication of how it was all going to look throughout the process. And I did find this quite invaluable. However, after that, the worst case scenario struck. My back was bad, and this was my view from A and E. So the plot twist thickens. I've been in A&E last couple of days because my back has been as bad as it has ever been. I'm still struggling to walk now, but at least I'm moving. And we are about a week away for completion on the house, so I'm trying to get a little extension to push it back further. And in the meantime, trying to get hold of neurosurgeons and going private to see if I can get a back operation like ASAP. Ideal situation would be that I can get it done now, and then I'll have more time to recover before the job starts, and then the pain starts. So that's the next thing that I've got to do. Oh, the joys.